Hare Krishna. Video on an evening walk again. Why do people with afflicted moon or people who do not have good position of moon in their horoscope become great astrologers, philosophers, and even psychologists? Because they have this mindset of overthinking. They have this mindset of anxiety, and overthinking is not a weakness if you utilize it in the right way. That means if you can utilize your overthinking in a subject, maybe astrology, maybe psychology, you are going to become a brilliant scientist, a researcher, an astrologer. That's the beauty of anxiety and overthinking. All you need to do is to channelize. And what are those positions? You'll find these positions in the charts of great astrologers, astronomers, psychologists. Moon in the second house, sixth house, 8th house, 12th house, or even the position of moon where it doesn't have a pakshbal. When I say pakshbal, it means that the Chandra is, you're born between, Krishna Ashtami to Shukla Ashtami. Okay, that's the time. And this is where the moon is not very strong. And also, you'll see where in the Navamsha specifically, moon is highly afflicted with Rahu, Ketu, and many other, malefics. Amavasya Yoga, sun and moon together. Sun and moon extremely close to each other. These are the yogas of overthinking, anxiety. So if you have it, start studying. Start thinking about Jyotish, about psychology, about astronomy. Utilize your overthinking and you'll get tremendous amount of results. Do it and give me the feedback. And you'll find yourself coming out of that depression. You'll find yourself in a position of a researcher, and you'll start helping yourself and many other people around you. That is the beauty. So if you have it, just do it and let me know. Till then, Hare Krishna, Har Har Mahadev.